Well, as the rain pitter-patters on the roof of the barn here, I want to tell you about something amazing that happened to me over the weekend that you're a big part of. In fact, it's all your fault. Sometime Sunday afternoon, I hit 100,000 subscribers. And that's, for me, that is just amazing. I can remember when I hit 200 subscribers and was tickled to death. So to hit 100,000, that is a huge milestone. Now, some of y'all already have well over 100,000, some of you that watch this channel, but some of you, many of you don't, and it's a mark to aspire to. It really is. I never thought it would come. I just, again, I remember when I had 200 subscribers, and I wondered what in the world 200 people thought I had going on that they wanted to watch me. So let me tell you why I started my channel. Someone asked me not long ago, and I said, well, the main reason is because I had daughters, I had girls. And even though they were grown and gone, girls just did not care as much about the homestead, the farm life, livestock, farming, gardening. I had what I thought was a wealth of knowledge, 20, 30, 40 years of homesteading experience, and I just wanted to share it with somebody. I just felt like I needed to share it. I didn't want it to just go to waste. I wanted someone to pass it down to, and so I found you, and you found me, and I am just tickled to death about that. Over the years, we've learned how to garden. We've learned different aspects of gardening, such as in the last year, I've really got into container gardening, and that has been rewarding. This year, 2020, was the best garden I've ever grown, both in the ground and in containers. And I'm still working hard at it. I'm still experimenting. I'm still trying new things. Suggest new things to me if you want to, because I read all your comments, and I get some of my best ideas from your comments. So always do that on any video I put up. If you got a comment on how you do something a little differently, do that. But the livestock we've produced here, the chickens, the sheep that we did for years, the cows, we're just excited about being able to share that with you. And hopefully you're getting some use out of it. You're finding some benefit in it. I get a lot of wonderful comments from some wonderful people. And I think I've told you before, I never thought I would be, I'm not the type of person to be friends with in social media type situations. That's just not my thing. I don't do Facebook a lot. I've got Facebook pages, but I just don't do Facebook a whole lot. I'm not one to interact that much with people like that. But I love interacting with you. I love the comments. I love being able to show you something I've learned, sometimes the hard way. Sometimes I learn it and it costs me money, costs me time, or costs me some hard knocks. But that's the person I want to share it with, is someone who's going to try something new. We learn better from someone else's mistakes than we do our own. When we make our own mistakes, it usually costs us money. It costs us time, may cost us a finger or two. So learning from someone else's mistakes is always the best way to go. So I'm glad you've stuck around. Got a lot more stuff coming. I've got some stuff on the way, actually right now, from Haas Tools. I appreciate them as being a sponsor of my channel, one of the sponsors of my channel. And they've sending me some stuff right now that I've never done before. And we're fixing to try it, and I'll show you in another week or so. And we're going to have some new stuff going on that new for me. So I'm excited about it. But I just wanted to tell you how much I appreciate you. 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 people think it's worth their time to watch me do something on YouTube, and that just absolutely blows my mind. And I appreciate you folks more than you'll ever know. All right. Like I say every time, we're gone.